Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change hostname on Linux. So in order to change hostname on Linux you have to go into terminal. So I will open terminal like this, show apps and terminal. And what is a hostname? Hostname is basically your computer's name on the network. Hostname is displayed right here, so we will change it and we will see how to do it. First of all, maybe I will show you the two commands how to display your hostname. First one will be very simple. It's basically hostname. You can press enter, and as I said before, it is this thing written right here. So it is the first way. Second way is hostnamectl, enter, and you have your static hostname right here. And we have two ways to change our hostname. The first one is temporarily, so we can change the hostname until the next reboot. So we can use it, do it like this: sudo hostname and the new hostname. So you can type in whatever you want. Maybe I will write the name of our channel. So I will press enter and type in my password because we used sudo. And right here we have to reset our terminal in order to see changes. As you can see, it is changed. And how can we also see that? As I said before, hostname and I will press enter, and we can do it like that. And right now I will restart my computer and I will go back to you to show you that my hostname changed back to default. So I will be back in a moment. So as you can see, right now I have to log in into my account, and we'll go into terminal, and we will see that our hostname will be changed. So show apps again, terminal, and as you can see, my hostname went back to the default name. So how do we change it? Forever, basically permanently? We can use the command like this: sudo, now the second command that I used, hostnamectl, and right now set -hostname and the new name. Maybe I will set the name that I used before, and I can press enter. Of course I have to type in my password, and as you can see, if I would reset my terminal, my hostname is changed. Again, I can use hostname to display it, hostnamectl also to display it. As you can see, there is changed, and there is our changed hostname. Of course, if I will restart my computer right now, it will be the same, so it will still be hard reset. Maybe I will not do it to not waste the time, but you can try it, and I guarantee you that it will work. So that will be all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.